I needed a new office chair that could go as low as a normal chair for standard desk heights, but also raise up very high to match the height of a standing desk. The highest chairs you can find are called drafting chairs, and I found this one from the company Take Your Seat. Unboxing was pretty easy and it was well packed. The metal parts did have a bit of grease or polish on them, especially the cylinder, as it should, so just wash your hands after assembling or use gloves. The chair comes with feet that seem smooth, so I don't think they'd scratch up a wood floor. I prefer wheels, so I used the same casters I previously purchased that are safe for carpets. It all went together really easily and the instructions were clear. You don't need any tools at all for this, as the casters just push in and all the screws are built into the knobs. Also, you're able to remove the seat from the cylinder if needed, which is handy because some chairs are basically stuck together forever after assembling. After assembling, the rear seat back can adjust in height and it tightens with another knob. After putting it together, I tested it next to my standing desk. Oh, and the reason I need a taller chair is both because it's much cheaper than buying a motorized standing desk and because it allows me to be centered in front of the windows for more natural light. The chair was very sturdy, even with the wheel casters, and it was comfortable. The pictures online make the seats look plastic, but they're actually firm cushions. There's also quite a difference in its lowest to highest settings, with the lowest at about 22 inches high and the highest at about 32 inches, although I'm around 220 pounds now, especially after the small pizza I just ate, which caused it to sink to about 29 inches after sitting on it. The seat itself is about 17 inches around in all directions and is okay to sit on. It's not the most comfortable cushion I've ever sat on, but it feels much sturdier than the old drafting chair I'm replacing. That one was never solid and aged very, very badly. Overall, I really like it and thought it was fairly priced. And if the height or seat doesn't work out as well as the last drafting chair, I could always just use one of those butt cushions my grandma used to have, both to gain the inch of height back and provide more cushion for my bony butt cheeks.